Hey family and friends, welcome back to another episode of Carolina Cowboy Cooking. It's Thanksgiving Day and you're in for a treat. We're about to do something very unusual, so hang around and make sure you hit the like button and the subscribe button. Today, my good friend Randy here is going to teach us how to cook a turkey in a trash can. Randy, how are we going to do this thing, man?
Well, we're gonna, first off, you prepare your turkey, you make sure it's completely thawed. You need to make a rope to hold its wings together out of tin foil, and then we basically take the turkey and we put it on this pole. Alright, doesn't look like much, but it works. And you can use just a pole that you cut off of a tree, or like me, I made my pole. And then we take the trash can and we set it down over top of the turkey. Now you got the hard part done. And we put some tin foil on the top of the can.
So this is going to be a convection cook actually. You're going to have hot air rolling all around this bird. It's going to cook it. And believe it or not, only 90 minutes. So an hour and a half, and we're going to have Thanksgiving dinner.
Alright, this recipe calls for 20 pounds of charcoal. You can't buy 20 pounds of charcoal anymore, so your best bet is probably to get 2 bags of 12 pounds. And just cover the top of the can.
We're going to have heat going on top of the can and all around the sides. So we get a nice even cook, and it's going to be extra crispy on the outside and extra juicy on the inside. It's going to be fantastic. So hang around, make sure you watch it to the very end. And we're filming today south of the border. We're in the great state of South Carolina at my dad's cattle ranch. We got Cowboy Carl doing the filming for us today. We're going to have this lit up here just a few minutes, so hang around. You don't want to miss this. Alright folks, we're going to light it up. We're using matchlight charcoal, so it's already got the lighter fluid in it. It's just that easy. Yeah, we can get it. Folks, we're going to check the temperature right there at bird height. And we're at about 350, right there where we want to be. That's perfect for cooking. You can see down there at the handle we're at 647 degrees, but right where the bird is, we're right between 250 and 350, so lots of great things going on inside there. Do not, no matter how tempted you are, open this can. You'll mess up the process and it'll take a whole lot longer, so no matter what, let it cook the 90 minutes and then we'll take it off and you'll see. Hang around. Alright folks, it's the moment of truth. It's been 90 minutes and you can see most of our coals have used up all their energy. Randy's going to fill some back so we're nice and careful not to get any ash on the bird. And we're going to unveil this beautiful bird here in just a minute. right, look at that. Beautiful golden bird. Look at there. And already it's just pouring juice out right out of it. It's going to be beautiful. Thank you for watching. Again, click the subscribe button and the like button. Come back next time and see what our next episode might be. And happy Thanksgiving.